In question 8a, you can quickly see that we've got a y-intercept of 0, negative 30. You'll have the shape, a bit more of a kink in that one. The zeros, or the x-intercept y is equal to 0, a bit more work. I recommend strongly we take out the negative. Now, to cut a long story short, I think P3 might actually work. That's 27 minus 27 minus 30 plus 30 is equal to 0. So therefore, I've got x minus 3, and I'll have a quadratic in the middle. Now to get that, a minus 10 will be the order of the day. I need a total, minus 3. I think I'm pretty much there already. So I have that. So I'll be a difference of 2 squares. So in this particular problem, x is equal to 3, x is equal to negative root 10, and x is equal to positive root 10. And I can use that information in order to graph the function. Now, root 10 is 3 point something, negative root 10 is negative 3 point something. So I'll work on the basis of scaling up with some 3's. Negative 30. So I'll have a graph looking a little like so. A nice little one to practice and working with. You might like to check it on your graphics calculator. Now, I've got to admit 8b is probably a little bit beyond the course, but in this particular instance, it probably is worth our while trying out. A perfect cube has the format 1, 3, 3, and 1. So we've pretty much got that. We'll have to complete a perfect cube and do a small subtraction, and we'll be able to find the point of inflection. I've got to admit, a little bit beyond the course, but worth our while trying. The shape is going to be of this order, the positive. The y-intercept, well, that's going to occur when x is equal to 0, and we'll have it at 0, 2. The x-intercepts, well, I might have to actually fix the cube up first. Now I need a plus 1 there in order to get x plus 1 all cubed. Now if I've added 1 plus 2, take the 1 I've put in there, plus 1, and that is in the turning point format of, point of inflection. At negative 1, 1. I can then go ahead and find the x-intercept now. When y is equal to 0. Cube root of negative 1, which is going to be negative 1. So in this case, it's going to equal negative 2. Now, a little nasty, but quite doable. Don't expect any of these in your tests. I think the book likes to stretch us from time to time. So sketching that up, I've got to have 0, 2, the y-axis. I've got a negative 2 here, and I'll have a point of inflection at negative 1, 1. So going through with that, hooking up here and up again, gives me the graph. Worth our while trying out though.